बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos channel. This channel is all about craft work, like different kind of craft work like pebble craft, resin, centerpieces decoration ideas, and so on. I hope so, guys. You all are fine, and I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So, guys, this video is all about resin art. I am showing you a resin art table images. Resin art is the most expensive and super easy craft for beginners. And I am showing you a beautiful and super attractive resin table ideas. Resin tables are very trending nowadays, and these tables are very expensive. So you can make these resin tables at home very easily. You can guys watch resin table tutorials on YouTube. These are super classy and super amazing resin table ideas for you guys. You can purchase these resin tables from different websites. These are most amazing and super classy resin table ideas for you guys. And you also watch different other craft videos on my channel. So viewers, if you like these images, then like the video and share this video with your friends and with your family members. And if you want different other craft works, then you leave the comment in the comment section. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more updates about my channel. I hope so you like this video and also you enjoyed this video. So viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I will upload different kind of craft work videos on my channel. So guys, always keep supporting my channel, always be happy and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.